Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. So if you also want to send Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Trust Wallet application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. After authentication is completed, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to see the option for send, receive, buy, sell and history. All you have to do is tap on the receive option that you can see at the second. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the receive interface. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for ETH, that is Ethereum. If you do not find this option, you can also tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now simply type in ETH. Now here you'll be able to find the option for ETH. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can also see the QR over here. You'll also be able to receive ETH through this QR, or you can also copy the link. Simply tap on the copy option that you can see right over here. Now after you've copied the address, what you have to do is go to the Binance application. Simply launch open Binance application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure your identity is verified. Unfortunately, my identity verification could not be completed, but I'll guide you through what to do. Once you open Binance application, what you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. If your identity is verified, over here, you'll be able to find the option for withdraw. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, you'll have to select the coin that you want to withdraw. Simply select ETH, that is Ethereum. After that, you'll have to select how you want to withdraw. Over there, you'll be able to see two options: send via crypto network and send via email, phone or ID. Simply tap on the option send via crypto network. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, what you have to do is enter the address, network and withdrawal amount. Simply paste the address that we copied earlier. After that, also select the network. After that, you'll have to enter the withdrawal amount. You'll also be able to see the available amount over there. At the bottom left corner, you'll also be able to see the receiving amount. After that, what you have to do is tap on the withdraw option that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be led to the preview interface. Preview all the information that you provided. After that, simply confirm the transfer and you'll be able to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. So that is how you send Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.